We will be using the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and consequently our programming language is MQL4. I'm assuming that you already have MetaTrader 4 installed and that you have the meta editor window in front of you. So what we're going to do today is we're going to create a very simple program which says or outputs onto your screen the phrase hello world. It's kind of a tradition in programming that when you start learning a new language, that's the first thing that you code. Alright, so what we're going to do is in meta editor, in the top left corner, we're going to click new, and this will bring up the MQL wizard. The MQL wizard is not something that we're going to be necessarily using all the time going forward, but it's a very handy tool to have and to use, especially when you're just getting started with MQL4. So right now we have a choice of 6 different options: an expert advisor, custom indicator, script, library, include, new class. So an expert advisor is the ultimate program that we're going to be aiming to code by the end of this course. It's a robot. It's a trading robot that actually executes orders on the foreign exchange market. An indicator shows it basically allows you to create your own indicator, which can give you signals and identify certain things on the market. A script is a program that gets executed once and only once, as soon as it's attached to the chart. And about the other 3 we'll talk some other time. They're not as crucial at this stage. So we're going to select a script because it's the easiest of the top 3. Then we're going to click next. We're going to give our script a name over here at the top after the backslash. You can call it whatever you like. I'm just going to call it tutorial 1. As if this is your first time using meta editor and you've just installed it, then these 2 fields, author and link, will be populated with default values. I suggest you change them to something that is relevant to you, so you have copyright over the code, and plus somebody can find you if they ever want to get in touch. We're not going to have any parameters at this stage, so we'll just click finish. So what happened here is the wizard has created a script for us. It's a script template. You can check that the script actually exists by opening the script folder on the left, and you'll see your script here, tutorial 1. So everything that starts with / is a comment. It is ignored by the compiler. So basically, when you create this script into a working program, all these lines will be ignored. They're just for visual interpretation. We're going to get rid of this line and this line because they're basically useless. These 4 properties, they describe the program to MetaTrader 4, and we're not going to focus on them because they just get put there all the time by the wizard, and they're not really relevant to us at this stage. What we're going to focus on is this part. This is the function, or this is the body of the program, and it gets executed as soon as you attach the script to the chart. Right now, inside the body, there's nothing inside the body, when I say inside, I mean between these 2 curly brackets. So we want to add some code to the program. We're going to put it between these 2 curly brackets, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in alert, and you can see it's come up here as a prompt. Alert is a built-in function that allows you to output messages onto the screen. So we'll just use it at this stage. We'll type in alert, then we'll put in 2 brackets, and we'll put a semicolon. Inside the 2 brackets, we need to type in our message. Message has to be in quotation marks. So we'll put 2 quotation marks, and between them we will say hello world, exclamation mark. So that's basically it. Alert, and then within the brackets, our message in quotation marks, and please don't forget the semicolon on the end. That is quite important. All right, so that's our program. Now we're going to compile it, and what that means is we're going to create an executable file. We're going to click compile. As you can see here, the compiler says that there's 0 errors and 0 warnings, which is good, which means that everything worked fine. Now we're going to go to MetaTrader 4 by clicking this button over here. This is MetaTrader 4, and here we are going to find our script. So on the left in the navigator panel, just open up the scripts menu and find tutorial 1, and now we're going to attach it to the screen, and hopefully that what will happen is we'll see the message hello world. So let's give it a go. Attach, and there we go. It says hello world, and that's all we wanted to do for today. I hope it was a useful tutorial, and more tutorials and information are available on forexboat.com. And until the next tutorial, happy coding!